Yeah, true. Oh, okay. So it's a lot of temperature regulation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because first you need
I think it's great, but also like.
Meh.
They do really make meh sounds.
Meh.
It's like a jam from our really nice tree in the garden.
And cardamom and matcha, and then there's chocolate cream over it, and then there's tahini peanut butter cream with banana, and it's sugar free. There's just honey in there and banana.
Does someone want to try the applesauce if it's good?
Volunteer. Mm-hmm. The song? Yeah, it sounds like a Oh. Wait, actually I don't know. Did you find Chester? Yes, Chester. Hey. Oh. It's not Asian rice. I understood that something like sushi. Just finish school and maybe just do something. Normal. Oh, that's. I can feel. Oh God, no, it's in my head. The words. Freeze healing. I can feel my heart. Freezer? We really did. It was so funny. I like the red Avas in the yogurt. They eat. It's like evolutionary. That's true. Wow. And then, or like,
Heather's a bit of a monster, so she just signed for the whole thing, so it felt like we had to as well.
Oh, Ginny is hiding too!
Oh, this is also a sad story. I'm so sorry.
Good night. Hose actually. What, as in like pull it forward a little bit?
Okay, no, I quickly gotta find something else.
You're doing amazing.
What's the look of love?
Okay, I will go now quickly to toilet because I'm cold.
No, I look too fake. I'm just like.
She told him that she would.
2, 3. What?
Cool.